A very good afternoon, my dear students. How are you all? I hope to all are safe. Stay home and stay safe. Welcome back to online education. Today class is IIT Foundation of Mathematics. So 8th class Maths, Chapter 2, Square Roots and Cube Roots. Today we are discussing about synopsis 1, square and square numbers. Very good afternoon, my dear students. Today class is IIT Maths. First chapter completed and second chapter. Today we are discussing about a second chapter. Name of the chapter: Square Roots and Cube Roots. Square Roots and Cube Roots. Already we know that we learn in the 8th class Maths in Square Roots and Cube Roots 6th chapter we learned. Yes children. So once again I repeating chapter 2 synopsis 1. In this chapter concepts is squares, square numbers, properties of square numbers, cube, cube roots and properties of cube numbers. So first one is the squares. What is a squares? What is a square? In the previous class we learned the squares means the product of same number. The product of same number, that is called a squares. So when a number is multiplied, when a number is multiplied with itself, that is called a itself. The product is called squares. Did you understand children? When a number is multiplied with itself, the product is called. We know that the product of same numbers, that is called a square. So let here P and Q. Let here P and Q are natural numbers. P and Q are natural numbers. Natural numbers. Okay children, here P and Q are natural numbers such that P equal to Q square. Such that P equal to Q square. It means of the P is a square number. The P and Q are natural numbers and P is a square of the number Q. P is a square of the number Q. For example, you have to take the 16 or 4. Okay, 4. So it is a square number is a 2 square. So it is a P. 4 is a natural number. 2 is also natural number. Here 2 is a. Here P. What is the P? Since P is square of number Q. Square number of Q. Here P is a square number of Q. For example, you have to take the 4. 4 is a square. So the square number Q square means here 2 square. Did you understand children? It is a P equal to Q square. Here Q is a square number of P. Okay, so here 4 equal to 2 square. 2 square is a square number. We know that already 1, 4, 9 and so on. These are square numbers because of 4 equal to, we explained that 4 is 2 into 2 and 9 is equal to 3 into 3, and 100 and so on. 100 equal to 10 into 10, like that. These are square numbers. Yes children, did you understand? It is, what is the square? When a number is multiplied with itself, the product is called a squares. For you have to take the p and q are natural numbers, and p equal to q square. Here p is a square number of q. Okay children. For example, 4. 4 is 2 2s are 4. 2 square. Okay, it is a squares. So next topic is the square number. What is the square number? Square of number is that square of a number is that a number is that number raised to the power 2. Square number means square of a number is that number raised to the power 2. For example, 4 square, 3 square and 9 square, like that. Power is 2. Always power 2 is the square means. Okay, did you understand children? Power means 2. Always any, you have to take the any number, square means power is 2. Okay, square of a number is that number raised to the power 2. Raised to the power 2. For example, so for example, 4 expressed, 4 equal to 2 into 2. It means 4 can be expressed as 4 can be expressed as 2 into 2. At the same time, 9 equal to 9 is expressed as 3 into 3. And 16 expressed as 4 into 4, like that. It means of here power 2. 2 square, 3 square and 4 square, like that. These are all power 2. Okay, square number means you have to take the any number, the power is the 2, that is called a square number. Okay children, did you understand? So next, properties of square numbers. Properties of square numbers. The next topic is properties of square numbers. Properties of square numbers. The first one is, the first property is a natural numbers, a natural numbers having 2, 3, 7 or 8. The natural numbers having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at the ones place. At the ones place is never a perfect square. Is never a perfect square. So see children, a natural numbers having 2, 3, 7 or 8 at the ones place is never a perfect square. It means you have to take the any 2 digits numbers or 3 digits numbers and so on. You have to take the any type of numbers. But it is the ones place is the 2, 3, 7 or 8. These numbers having, that is not a perfect square. For example, 12. So here ones place is 2. So it is 12 is not a perfect square. You know that square numbers here, right? 1 into 1 and 2 into 2, 4. It means of 1 square and 2 square, like that. 3 square equal to 3 into 3 equal to 9. and 4 square equal to 4 into 4 equal to 16. 5 square equal to 5 into 5 equal to 25, like that square numbers. So you have here square numbers are there, any ones place single digit or double digits are there. So here ones place is the 2, 3, 7, 8 numbers are there, no. So it is not a perfect square. And another example, you have to take the another example 23, 47 and 58, like that. Okay children, so ones place is the here 3 is there, here 7 is there and here 8 is there. So 3, 7 and 8. Already we learn in the square numbers ones place is the 3, 7, 8 and 2. These numbers having, that is not a perfect square number. That is not a perfect square number. It is the property of 1. Now next second property. What is the second one? A natural number having a natural number having 0, 1, 4, 5, 9. 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. These numbers at the ones place is may or maybe. A natural numbers having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9. At the ones place may or may not be. May or may not be a perfect square. Is a perfect square. So for example 100, 121 and 169, 196. Once observe that here 0, 1, here also 9 and 6. These are perfect square numbers. We know, you know that 10, 11, 13. Here 144 also is there, 4, 13, 12, 13, 14, like that. So ones place is the 0, 1, 9, 6, like that is a square numbers. But another numbers also is there, or 44. 44 is a square number, ones place is the 4 is there. Here also ones place is the 4 is there, but it is a square number, it is not a square number. So here observe that a natural number having 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 may or may not be a square number. Okay, next 56. 56 is a square number? No. And 69, 9 is there. And next 77, number is there, 7 is there. So ones place is the 4, 6, 9, 7 and so 81, 61 or 71, anyone you have to take the any numbers. The ones place is the 0, 1, example 50 or 40. These numbers ones place is the 0, 4, 5, 9, 7, 1 is there. So these are not perfect square numbers. These are not perfect square numbers. Once observe that these two examples, observe that here ones place is the 0 is there, 1 is there, 4, 9, 6. These numbers are a perfect square because of we do the product of same numbers. For example here 10 into 10 and 11 into 11, here 12 into 12 and here 13 into 13 and here 14 into 14. These are square numbers, perfect square numbers. So it is a factors, we find the factors, okay, but it is any single digit are there, so that is not a perfect square numbers. Did you understand children? In these numbers also ones place is the 0, 1, 4, 6, 9 also is there, and is these numbers also in these examples also 0, ones place is the 0, 4, 6, 9, 7, 1 is there, but it is not the perfect square and it is a perfect square. Okay children, did you understand these properties? And next third property. Next third property. A number ending with odd number. A number ending with odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. For example, what is the third property, a number ending with odd. A number ending with odd number of zeros is never a perfect square. For example, 40, here 10 is there, 1 is a odd number. How many zeros are there in this number? 10. Here 1, 2, 3 zeros. Here 1 0 and here 3 zeros. And how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 zeros. Here once observe that. What is the third property? A number ending with odd number of zeros. A number ending with odd. Odd number means here how many zeros are there? 1 0. 1 is the odd number. Here how many zeros are there? 3. 3 is the odd number. And here 5 zeros are there. Here 5 is the odd number. That is a never perfect square. That is never a perfect square. For example, 40. 40 is a square number is there? No, no chance. Here 1000 also is there. It means of cube number. 10 into 10 into 10 square, not cube numbers. 10 square, 10 into 10, 10 tens are 100, 100 tens are 1000, but it is a cube number, not only square number, perfect square. Okay, what we observe that this property, you have to take the any number, the ones place is the odd zeros, the ones place is the odd number of zeros. That is not a perfect square. Okay children, did you understand? You have to take the any type of numbers, the ones place is the odd number of zeros. Odd means 1, 3, 5 like that. Odd number of zeros, that is called a not perfect square numbers. 40,000 are here, how many? 1 lakh is there. So these are not perfect square numbers. Okay, this is the third property. And the next fourth property. What is the fourth property? The square of an odd or even. The square of odd or even. The square of odd or even. Number is always odd or even. Did you understand children? The square of an odd or even number, you have to take any square numbers, odd number or even number, is always odd or even number. For example, 3 is a odd number. Number of square equal to 3 square. It means of 3 3s are 9. 9 is even number or odd number? Odd number. Next 4, you have to take the 4. The square number 4 square equal to 4 into 4 4s are 16. It is a even number. It is a even number. Did you understand children? You have to take the any type of, it means of odd number or even number. You have to take the any number, then always odd or even. Did you understand? The square of always odd or even. Okay. It is 3 is a odd number, 4 is a even number. The square of the even number is even number. The square of the odd number is odd number. What we observe that this property, you have to take the odd number. The square of the odd number is also odd. Square of odd number is always odd. The square number you have to take the even number is always even. In this property we observe that you have to take the any square even number or odd number is always odd number, and you have to take the even number, then even is always even number. The square of the even number is always even number. Okay children, next what is next? Factors of every square number can be grouped in the pair of equal numbers. For example, factors of every square number, every square number is can be grouped in pairs of equal numbers. Pairs of equal numbers. What is that? Factors of every square number is can be grouped in pairs of number. For example, 2 into 2, it is a one group. Okay, and 3 into 3 into 3, it is a pairs of grouped numbers. Pairs means 2 is there. Okay, pairs. And next it is, what is this? It is a factor example 36. So example factors. Okay, 36. 2 2s are 4. 3 3s are 9. Here 4 9s are 36. So you have to take the any example is there 48. For example 48. So here write the factors. Write the factors 2 48. 2 2s are 4 2s are. Again write 2. 12 2s are. Again write 2. 6 2s are. Again 2 3s are. So here observe that two pairs are there. 2 into 2 into 2. And 3 is a single digit is there. Okay, did you understand children? It is not possible of factors of square number. Factors of every square number is can be grouped in pairs of equal numbers. Like this only. Equal pairs numbers 2 into 2 and 3 into 3. These type of numbers is called a grouped pairs of equal numbers. Grouped pairs. Okay children? It is in this problem is the 3 single digit is there. It is a single pair not there. So that is not a grouped pair. Grouped in pair of equal numbers. Okay, it is the next property. Okay, factors of square number is can be grouped in pairs of equal numbers. Okay children, next property. Next property. So here observe that a square of a number ending with 1 or 9. A square of a number ending with 1 or 9 ends with 1. For example, you have to take the one square number of 1 equal to 1 square equal to 1 into 1. The ending is a 1. Okay children. Next 9 is equal to 9 9s are 9 square equal to 9 square. 9 9s are 81. So ending with the number is the 1. So 1 you have to take the 1 or 9, the square number ends with the 1. Okay children, clarity is there. Okay, you have to take the 1 or 9 number square numbers ending with the ones place is the 1 is there. Okay children, did you understand? First point, a square of a number ending with 1 or 9 ends with 1. Next, a square of a number ending with 2 or 8. 2 or 8. So, okay, 2. The square number is the 2 square. It means of 2 into 2. 2 2s are 4. Next one, 8. 8 square. So, 8 square means 8 into 8. 8 8s are 64. Ending with the number, which number is there? 4. So, here given that 4. And next, a square of a number ending with 3 or 7. Ending with 3 or 7. So, 3 is equal to 3 square is equal to 3 3s are 9. 7 square equal to 7 7s are 49. So, ones place is the ending number is the 9 is there. Yes or no? Yes. Next, a square of a number ending with 4 or 6. 4 square. 4 4s are 16 and 6 square, 6 6 are 36, ends with a 6 is there. Yes. Next 5. 5 square means number of the ending with 5 square means 25. So ones place is the 5 is there. Yes or no? A square of a number ending with 0. For example 10. 1 0 is there. 10 square. The square number of 10 square means 10 tens are 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. So here even number of zeros or odd number of zeros. 2 zeros are 2 is a even or odd? Even. So a square of a number ending with 0 ends even number of zeros. Okay children, did you understand? You have to take the 1 0 number. 1 0 10. 10 square means 100. Here how many zeros are there? 2 zeros. 2 is even number or odd number? Even. So here 0 ends even number of zeros. Okay children, these properties observe that. So you have to take the even number or odd numbers. The ones place is the 1 4 9 6 like that. 14965 okay, these are perfect square numbers. Okay children, okay. The next property, square of a proper fraction is less than the proper fraction. Square of a proper fraction. We know that proper fraction. What is the proper fraction? So, numerator is a small number and denominator is a big number. The comparing with the numerator and denominator greater than the denominator. Greater number is the denominator. For example, let 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Let for example 1 by 2 is a proper fraction. Its square is 1 by 2 whole square. So it means 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. So 1 ones are 1 by 2, 2s are 4, 1 by 4. Okay. So in the 1 by 2, the comparing with the 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, which is the greater number? So once observe that greater number is the 1 by 2 greater than 1 by 4 or 1 by 4 less than 1 by 2, like that. Because of it is a greater number of 1 by 4. This is the greater number. Because of, for example, 2 division method. Put the point and take the 0. How many times are possible? 2, 2 1s 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8 and 2 5s 10. So here 0.5. The value is the 0.5. And 0.1 by 4, we have to take the 1 by 4 means 4 and 1 will be there. Put the point and take the 0. 4 1s 4, 4 2s 8. So remaining 2 is there. Again take the 0 and 5. 4 5s, sorry, 4 5s 20. So here observe that 0.5 and 0.25. So which is the big number? 5. Point after 5 is there. Here point after 2 is there. Observe that. So which is the greater number? 5. So it is a greater than. Okay children. Square of a proper fraction is less than the proper fraction. Is less than proper fraction. It means square number. You have to, what we have to take the proper fraction. You do the square. That is a small number less than proper fraction. It means of you have to take the proper fraction. They do the square. Then you will get a less than proper fraction. They will get the answer less than proper fraction. It means 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. 1 by 4 is the less than number or not? Less than number. Did you understand children? Okay, next. Square of a decimal fraction less than 1 is the smaller than the decimal. Less than 1 means 0 point numbers. Point 0 after numbers. 0.1, 0.2 up to 0 point numbers. Okay. So for example 0.4. Let 0.4 you have to take the number. Decimal number. Decimal fraction. Okay. So here the square number. The square of 0.4 whole square equal to 0.4 into 0.4. So here 4 4s are 16. 4 0 0. Here 1 is there and 4 0 0 and 0 0 0. 0 1. So how many digits after keep the point? 1 2. 1 2. You counting the right side onwards. So here 0.4 whole square equal to 0.16. So less than 1. Here 0.16 the value is the less than 1 or not? Less than 1. It is true or not? True. The square of a decimal fraction less than 1. Decimal fraction less than, you have to take the decimal number, then the value is the, will get the value is the less than 1. You have to take the any decimal number. For example 0.9. So it means of 0.81 less than 1. Yes or no? Yes, less than 1. You have to take any square number, decimal number, that is less than the 1. square of a decimal fraction less than 1 is the smaller than the decimal. 1 is the smaller than the decimal. Okay, up to here properties of square numbers completed. Did you understand, children, properties of square numbers? Already we learned the square roots and cube roots chapter. Yes? Yes. Okay, children. Thank you, my dear students. I hope to understood these topics.